The edit length command can be very handy for quickly changing the length of lines or arcs or different entities in your drawing. You can start it by coming up to the Edit ribbon and under Modify, choose Edit Length. You can see in the command line we're prompted to choose an option. You can choose Dynamic, which will allow us to manually set the length using our mouse. Increment, which will allow us to add or subtract fixed increments to a line. Percent will allow us to change where it's already 100%. So if we wanted to make it half the size, we would use 50%, or double, we could use 200%. Total will allow us to set the total length. But first we have to choose an entity. So I will pick this line here. And we can see that the current length is 81.169 units. We'll type dy for dynamic. And then we'll confirm which entity we want to edit. Now we can make the line shorter or longer depending on what we'd like. M for modify. And we'll use I for increment. And maybe I want to add 10 units. And we can see that 10 units have been added. 10 more. Could add 10 to the arc. Type M for modify again. P for percent. So right now 100% will be the existing length of the entity. If I want to make it half the size, I could do 50. Enter. And then I'll choose this line down here. We can see based on the end we chose, it's going to subtract it 50%. Or if I choose it from this side, the right side, it's going to shorten it in that direction. Again, M for modify. T for total. So maybe I want to make it a 100 unit line. Enter. Pick that line, make it 100. Pick this line, make it 100. Maybe I'll make the arc 100. Again, M for modify. So you've got many options to choose from. Once you start the command again to see the total length of an existing entity, just pick on it, it will show you in the command line current length.